Barbecuing is one of the greatest ways to bring families and friends together, and with the versatility of an outdoor central spit, the possibilities are endless. This large hooded spit with kebab skewers will comfortably cater for up to 50 people. The top skewer is 16mm thick and is powered by a 30kg capacity motor, which runs off a 240V transformer. This skewer is perfect for roasts, chickens or gyros. The bottom 14 skewers are 5mm thick and are powered by a 15kg variable speed motor. These skewers are perfect for mini kebabs, corn, prawns and veggies. Both the top skewers and the bottom skewers work independently, so you can roast on the top skewers whilst also cooking kebabs at the same time. The total cooking area measures 80cm by 40cm, giving ample space for barbecuing steaks, chicken wings, chops and veggies. This spit is also easily adjustable in height, which is super important when cooking with charcoal. The spit is made from 2mm thick stainless steel and also has a charcoal pan to protect the base of the spit, increasing its longevity and making cleanup a breeze. With the wheels on the bottom of the spit, it makes it an easy one-person job to move around. Lift your barbecue game, impress your family and friends, and enjoy the authentic taste you can only get when cooking with charcoal.